Welcome to Bruce's World with
me,
Bruce.
Today we're going to be opening these 5 packs of Vivid Voltage packs. So, we're going to start off with Sword and Shield Vivid Voltage.
All the packs that Bruce is going to open up at some point. All these. We have Evolving Skies. We have Fusion Strike. And we have Darkness Ablaze. Check that out, guys. Sneak peek.
Another Pikachu! Got one of these. Got one of the Pikachu. I'm going to set it right here. Last one. A Fire Energy. So we got Pikachu again. Got 2 of the same Pikachus. That reminds me, we're opening the Pikachu pack. So we got 2 shiny Pikachus, which are some of the main characters. And those are like, since we already have it, we might give it away to one of you guys who likes and subscribes. So, that was all the cards today. So, we only got a Pikachu V. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.
See you later.
Alligator.